Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another video. So in today's video we will discuss Python inheritance. Inheritance allows us to define a class that inherits all the methods and properties from another class. Parent class is the class being inherited from, also called the base class. Parent class is actually the class from which we can inherit different other classes. So that's why it is also called base class. A child class is the class that inherits from another class, also called derived class. Child class is called derived class because we will have derived this from any parent class. So let's move further. We will now discuss how to create a parent class. So any class can be a parent class, so the syntax is the same as creating any other class. Actually, it says that syntax for creating a parent class would be same like creating any other class. So let's see an example of this. So we will start with same with class person. So in this example, we will create a class for a person name. So we will start with class person and then definite in initial name self, final name, initial name. So we will create final name and initial name. So then self dot first name is equal to first name, self dot last name is equal to last name. So then we will print first we will print self and then we will print last name. So to call the person name, we will use the person class to create an object and then execute the print method. So here we have a value x is equal to person. The name we which want to print is John and Doe. So to print this, we will write the code x dot print name and parentheses, and we will get these two names at output, John and Doe. So I hope the concept is clear. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Goodbye.